Hi kids, I'm Zookeeper Zipp, and this is our holiday special from the North Pole. As always, I have my best friend Bruno with me. Say hi, Bruno.
Hi, Bruno.
Today's special animal starts with the letter R, and Santa uses 9 of them to pull his magical sleigh.
Everyone knows.
You're right, Bruno. It's a reindeer with an R. Can you say reindeer with an R? Reindeer. We get to meet one of Santa's very special reindeer today.
Red nose.
That's right, Bruno. He does have a red nose that lights Santa's way through the snow. His name is Rudolph. He's not the only reindeer to have a special nose. They all do, Bruno. Their noses heat up the air they breathe, so it's warm when it reaches their lungs.
Don't light up.
That's right, Bruno. Their noses don't light up like Rudolph's does, but some reindeers' knees make a clicking sound so they don't get lost in a snowstorm.
Click, click.
Did you know Rudolph flies around the globe to help Santa, but normal reindeer can travel up to 3,000 miles in 1 year? That's more than any land animal.
That's far.
It is, Bruno. Did you hear that, Bruno? That's the head elf from Santa's toy shop.
Hi, Bruno and Zip. I'm Billy, Santa's head elf. And as you know, we are busy with last-minute presents. But Santa and I know how much you love animals, so we sent one of Santa's favorite reindeer for you to feed.
Did you hear that, Bruno? Thanks, Billy.
Thank you.
Have fun. I gotta get back to work, making toys. Bye, Bruno and Zip. Enjoy our reindeer friend.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Billy. Look, Bruno, a real reindeer. He doesn't have a red nose. He looks amazing. Which one could he be? This could be Dasher, or Dancer, Prancer, or Vixen,
Comet or Cupid,
or Donner and Blitzen. It's Rudolph! It's Rudolph!
red nose.
Okay, kids, don't forget to leave some milk and cookies for Santa. We gotta help clean Santa's workshop, but we'll be back next week with more animals and more learning fun. Say bye, Bruno.
Bye, Bruno.